Stealth technology is an important innovation in the development of modern fighter jets. The United States, US, has long been a leader in the development of this technology. Recently, the US has started production of a sixth-generation fighter jet that will replace the F-22 Raptor, the already well-known fifth-generation stealth fighter. This US sixth-generation fighter jet has more advanced stealth capabilities compared to its predecessors. They are designed to avoid detection by target radars, allowing the aircraft to get closer to targets without being detected. This provides a huge tactical advantage in air combat. One of the main features of the sixth-generation fighter jet is its stealth-optimized design. They use special materials and aerodynamic shapes designed to reflect radar waves, making them difficult for radar targets to detect. In addition, the aircraft is also equipped with a heat deception system that reduces the heat signature that can be detected by the target's infrared tracking system. Stealth technology on the sixth-generation fighter jet also includes the use of sophisticated sensors and avionics systems. The aircraft is equipped with an electronically active radar that can detect and track targets with high accuracy, as well as an electronic defense system that can disrupt target tracking systems. The sixth-generation fighter jet is also equipped with better communication capabilities, enabling this aircraft to share real-time information with other aircraft in the air formation. In addition, the sixth-generation fighter jet is also equipped with a more sophisticated weapon system. They can carry a wide variety of more lethal and accurate air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. The weapon launch system was also upgraded to improve the aircraft's combat performance. The development of the US sixth-generation fighter jet is an important step in maintaining the country's air superiority. With more advanced stealth technology, this fighter jet will give the US military a strategic advantage in aerial combat. However, further details about the specifications and capabilities of this aircraft are still being kept secret for the sake of national security. The US sixth-generation fighter jet, also known as Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD, is an innovation that brings a new level of sophistication to modern air combat. This fighter jet is designed to maintain US air superiority and meet the challenges of potential future threats. One of the main advantages of the US sixth-generation fighter jet is its more advanced stealth technology. The aircraft has an aerodynamic design that reduces the radar signature and uses special materials that reflect the target's radar waves. This makes the aircraft difficult to detect and engage targets in air combat. In addition to enhanced stealth technology, the sixth-generation fighter jet is also equipped with an advanced avionics system. The aircraft uses more sensitive and accurate sensors and radar to detect and track targets with high precision. More advanced communication systems allow the aircraft to share real-time information with other aircraft in the air formation, creating greater situational awareness in aerial combat. In addition, NGAD also has superior combat capabilities. The aircraft is equipped with more lethal and accurate air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. The improved launch system increases attack speed and accuracy, while the electronic defense system helps disrupt and counter threats from targets. NGAD was also developed with a focus on flexibility and adaptability. This aircraft can be quickly upgraded and equipped with new technology according to developments and future needs. This flexibility allows the aircraft to continue to be relevant and effective against increasingly complex threats. In order to replace the F-22 Raptor, this sixth-generation fighter jet is expected to enhance US air defense capabilities. However, specific details about the NGAD are still classified because of their confidential nature and are important for national security interests.